Action.
Thank you so much for coming to help me today. Did you know I'm trying to become a social media star?
No.
Well, I made this really cool video, but I only got 25 views.
I can help it.
You can? What should I do?
So, first, you be yourself. Be funny.
How can I be funny?
Is there any good jokes you can use in the video?
I don't think so.
I have some you can borrow.
Okay, can you tell me one? All right, go.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Look under there. No, you're supposed to say underwear.
Oh, no.
Why did you take a look in the toilet?
I don't know. Why did he look?
To look for poo.
What about your cool jacket? Where'd you get that?
Macy's.
And you got 1 million views on your video?
Uh-huh.
Do you think more people are going to watch this video because you're in it, because you're famous?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I did lots of videos like these.
Do you think that I will be famous now that I'm in a video with you?
Yeah.
May I have your autograph, please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
How do we spell your name?
Leah.
What would you like to do with your dog Biscuit?
I don't know, like take him on a walk or take him outside to play.
Yeah. Well, you can't really have cameras outside because there's nowhere to plug them in. I suggest you give him food to see if he'll eat it, and then you might be famous and you might get 100%.
100%? That's what I'm going for.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your help today.
Welcome. This guy is awful.
What guy?
No, he's... You want some help?
I'm good. I'm good.